I want to start off by saying Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day 2021 to all the mothers out there and the expecting moms like me. Oh, I hope you enjoy your day. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, Tia Shantia, and I am here with my Louis Vuitton unboxing video. So I pretty much purchased this for myself for Mother's Day, my very first high-end luxury item, and I want to open it with you all. So I haven't seen it since I bought it in the Louis Vuitton store in Jacksonville, Florida. So it came with this little card, and it has the sales rep information on it, client advisor, her name, you know, her title, email address, things like that. And then also my receipt of purchase right here, and the actual box. So it would have come in a bigger box, she said, but I told her that I was flying, so I needed something that could fit in my suitcase. And if you hear the smoke detector, I apologize. I've been trying to get it changed for weeks now, but yeah. Beautiful, beautiful box. Blue ribbon. So it opens this way. And it comes in this beautiful dust bag. And this is what I got. So this is the Etui, Etui Voyage NV PM MNG. And yeah, out of everything I looked at, this was my favorite. It's dark chocolate in the inside. And here's the logo. Has the LV there on the zipper. So yeah, I just wanted to share this quick video with you. It's so soft, just so dainty. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, _TierBossy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, loves. Bye. I hope you enjoy your day. So let's get into this video.